baking slime, and today I'm going to be using some Elmer's glue, and we are going to be using some glitter paint and some icon and some baking soda. I don't even know how to say it right, but let's get started. So first you need to put the glue inside the bowl. That sounds weird. Okay. Let me take this out here. Okay. Right here. So then we are going to be using this, right? We're going to be using the glitter paint and put just a little bit of drops. Okay, that's good. Okay. Actually, I'm going to be mixing first, so then I'm going to be putting the baking soda in. It's turning like light to green, and there's like tiny little glitter dots. I don't know if you guys can see, but like how many, like this? Is that good? Okay, now let me mix it. Then I put this. Okay, whatever. Let me open it first. Okay. That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
It's turning into slime. Okay, let me get everything because I don't want. I think that's good. It's getting really hard to mix. Let me get. Okay. It's not ready yet, so I can't put my hands. Okay. And guys, if you want to try this at home, ask permission for your parents because this slime can get really messy. It feels really weird. Oh, now it's doing it. The baking soda makes it a little bit dry, so then I can touch it. Oh, okay. It's almost ready. It's almost ready, I think. I touch it. I think it's First, let me get the edges because I don't want to lose my slime. Okay, so. Okay, this is getting really weird. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, after this, guys, please wash your hands because it's really watery because of this. And remember, always to close it, or it's gonna get. I don't know if it's gonna. It's just letting out the bowl. That's so crazy. It's like so weird. Okay, I think I could put my hands on it. That's weird. Slime! It's so sticky. Wait. Okay, it's really watery. Let me get it under. You have to keep adding baking soda and these little water drops so it could get like really hard, like real slime, so it could get like really slimy like this. But I don't think mine worked out a lot. Mine, I think I put too much of this because. So guys, you could put a bunch, but not too much because mine just got really wet. But you have to put the baking soda so the slime could get a little bit more stretchy. I mean, it's already stretchy, but so it could be a little bit dry, and don't put too much. Slime. Whoa. This is really cool, guys. This slime I never made before. It's my first time making this cool slime. So this is how you make slime, and it's pretty cool. And these are all the stuff you need. You need alcohol, baking soda, almond glue, and you guys can use food coloring, but I'm just using paint because I like it. So this slime is really cool to make, and I hope you guys subscribe down below. And bye guys, have a great day.